Good morning, everyone. Good morning. It is a pleasure to be here once again to teach you some quick hacks. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Today, we are going to learn how to create free lead magnets real quick. Okay, so these are for your lead magnets. And basically, your lead magnets are the brief information that you send to prospects, customers, and clients who land on your lead page, landing page, funnels page, website. And the lead magnet is just that. It's supposed to magnetize, attract clients to you. And the way to do that is to provide them resources, information, hacks, formulas, recipes, and basically an overall introduction to your content, to your business, to your company, to your niche, to your gifts, whatever you want to call it. So you should be seeing my Google screen right now. We're going to create our lead magnets in Canva, of course, because that's where I design everything. Well, actually, Canva is not my only tool, but I'll use Canva because everybody else is using Canva for the most part. Okay, so what you're going to do is decide what type of lead magnet you want to offer your audience. Now, if this audience is subscribing to your YouTube channel, your Instagram, or your website, or a Facebook group, whatever it is, you may want to create different lead magnets for different audiences or different lead magnets for different social media channels. So you can identify the lead magnet according to your channel or according to the audience, which is kind of similar because you know that the demographic for Facebook users is an older age group than TikTok or Instagram. So, all right, so what you're going to do is go into the general canva.com, okay, basic website, and they make it so easy for you. So here is where you'll see the hot buttons. So presentation, social media, print products, marketing, and then you can go into more and they'll have a carousel here, okay? So they'll show you what you can create, okay? And these basically, a lead magnet is a digital product. So you can create really cool things. So let's start with, let's see. Okay, let's start with, you can do marketing too, but marketing is usually like print marketing. See how they're just banners and ads. So that's not what we're doing today. We're doing lead magnets. So let's go back to home. You can go to, my computer's so slow. Oh, wait, it just opened up in another screen. Okay, hopefully you can still see this. Okay, so let's just go to checklist. You're gonna go to templates. Okay, because a checklist is a really cool lead magnet. So what you're gonna do is scroll through. I always advise that you choose a template that is very comparable to whatever the text on your website looks like, okay? So whatever your branding is and what your signature is, choose a checklist that's not off the beaten path, okay? And also never choose a checklist that has so many properties that it's gonna take you a long time to edit. Okay, so you don't want to, it doesn't have to be exactly like your brand, but if it's not like your brand, then don't choose something with all of these designs on it because you're going to be sitting there all day trying to do it. Okay, so less is best. So you want to choose something simple like this. This is like as bare as it can get. And this, and this, right? So let's start with this one. We'll choose this one. Okay, now the thing about Canva, which I absolutely love, is it gives you the framework, okay? And then on the left-hand panel, you can switch it out just by clicking it. Switch, switch. So what it'll do is give you items that are comparable to what you've chosen in your design. So you could just click anywhere and just change the checklist and modify, okay? The second thing that I love is this feature right here is where you set the colors. So you see all the colors that are here are here. okay? So you can add a new color to the mix, okay? And see, this matches, okay? Especially if you've chosen something that is part of your brand, okay? Your brand identity and brand colors. So then let's say I choose here, you can choose your colors here, you can change the background, you can change anything you want, okay? And that's the best part of it, okay? And then you just click back on and off to get in and out, okay? So once you decide which checklist you want, I'm gonna use this one because I don't like that. You can put your logo here, okay? You can do anything you want. You start typing in, okay, hair care essentials, okay? So let's say you're gonna give all the people that sign up for you, your website, hair care essentials checklist and guide. So you fill in all the stuff, and then the great thing is you can start adding elements, okay? So you click on elements and see, you can put these elements in, you can add them to your Canva design, and then you can do it like that. You know, they're just all different things, okay? So your elements are always going to be on the left-hand side, okay? And then you can do shapes, square, rectangle, heart, okay? Here are all the hearts. You could just add them in. Let's say you're a relationship coach, so the heart thing is really important to you. So I'm going to undo that. So, and you always click this back button to undo anything. Here's a heart. So I'm just going to move this here. And then I'm going to change that color, click on the color, choose a lighter color. I can make this heart here, see? And then if you want to make sure that it's behind, see the logos behind the heart, you just click on it, see position, click position, and you're going to put backward or to back. And then it will bring this forward and make the picture go to the back of the text. Okay, so it'll kind of be like that, you know. So that's how that works, okay? And then I'm just going to delete that. So we'll undo, and you just click undo. If you have a photo, you can go to photos, and if you want to use a journalism photo instead, let's say you are an influencer, a social media influencer, and that's your business. You can click and come up with really cool photos. Now see, I put the photo in, right? Now you can't see the words. So what you do is you take it and you click on transparency, which is the checkerboard. Remember I showed you how to do that? And you can lighten it up. Okay, there. And then you can change the colors of the font to bring it in. Okay, so that's how you can, that's the design part of it. Now with this overlay, you can edit the image, okay? You can make it brighter, less bright, contrast, all types of stuff, okay? With the transparency, you might want to even make it a little darker so you can still kind of see it like a watermark in the background, okay? All that stuff, okay. So a lead magnet, again, is a very short digital product. So that's going to be your checklist. That's going to be your guides. So let's go back. You can go to templates, see the templates. You don't have to start all over. You can just say, okay, so I'm going to name this lead magnet quick. All right. So you can go into the template bar and let's just say you want a guide, okay? So you're going to choose ebook, and it didn't do it. So, oh, I like this. Look at that. Add as a new page. Okay, so I like this, especially for your physical fitness folks. See how nothing happens by accident? So this can be a lead magnet. So what foods to eat for Whole Foods if you're transferring or transitioning to vegan or whatever. So you can use this as a lead magnet. And then what you're going to do is, let me add a page. Okay, so what happens, let's just say this is going to be, okay, so your lead magnet can be one of these items, or it can be all of these items, right? So you'll put it into an ebook. So we're going to add the cover. And then what you're going to do is ebook covers. We couldn't find ebook covers in Elements. Oh, I'm in Elements. No wonder. I forgot to click templates. Okay, so ebook covers. I got to try something different. Hold on. Let me get out of Elements. Click out. Let me go out. Photos, templates. Okay, let's search document templates. Ebook covers. There. Okay, so here's some cool. Oh, I like this one. Okay, this is a good cover for a lead magnet. So you're gonna do, take any text you want. You can add these fonts and do your own titles. I usually come from this side and I just put the title here. First thing is that's too dark, so we're gonna lighten it up. And it'll have to be down here. Okay, and then what you'll do is put your name here, Hustle Mama. And then you'll put wild choices. I don't know, whatever you think. I don't know what the lead magnet, wild food choices, maybe. Yeah, let's do wild food choices. So we'll put by Hustle Mama. Okay, so that's the lead magnet, wild. I don't think I like that, y'all. Let's bring this down. Okay, the other thing you can do in Canva is you don't have to stay stuck. See how I did that? So you can delete it if you just like this top part. So we'll do wild card. Okay, so let's do a different font. You can mix and match. Wild, let's do card. Okay, so you bring down the text, you bring it over here. I like the fact that it's on the tablet instead. Okay, so wild card. Yeah. And then I'm going to just, you can always put the angles this way. Okay, so wild card it is there. Okay, I don't like how it's, let me see, let's move it over a little. Okay, wild card. Okay, now let's make it, see how this is over behind the letters, which is great. So you want to do it like that, bring it like right to here. And then, yeah, that's a good ebook. Okay, so now you're gonna go back up, put your name on it. Okay, put it right up here. You can put your handle at your social media handle first. Okay, and then you always want to make sure it's prominent. So this is not dark enough. So you're going to highlight it, put it, I think I like maybe this. Yeah. Okay, so there. Okay, so this is how your lead magnet cover. So I put my social media handle, my name, the title. Okay, we got the little icon here. And then here's your checklist. Okay, so then you're going to do the checklist and then whatever other things you want to do. And then you can add text here if you want to introduce yourself. So you're going to insert the page. You're going to put a picture of yourself. Always put a picture of yourself, guys, so that people begin to recognize who you are. Okay, so always include the picture of yourself. Okay, and then you could just put the text. Hi, I'm so-and-so. Go back up, take the text. Thanks for getting the lead magnet, blah, blah, blah. Hello. Thanks for subscribing to my list. And then you always want to make sure that the format is either justified, centered, or left or right, depending on what you want. Okay. All right, so I put Helly. Okay, hello. So you write your little message, you know, you put your little social media icons, you introduce the subject matter. It's a little guide checklist, and you're going to give it to your audience. And then you always create another page. So you can add a page here, okay, or add a page here, whichever one you want. You can delete the page. And always say thank you, right? So let me see. There you go. Always say thank you. And you can change this color as well. Thank you. And you can move this across, you know, you can expand it, whatever. Okay. And then always put your live links in and how to get in touch with you and all of that. So that's your lead magnet right here. Okay. So what you're going to do is click share, click download. When you download your lead magnet, you always want to make it a PDF. Okay. PDF standard is a smaller size. Click download. And now your lead magnet is done. Okay. Now let me show you how to create your lead magnet from your ebook. Okay, I want to show you that because that's really the easiest way to do a lead magnet, except if you have an ebook. So you're going to go back to your library, and let me go to one of my ebooks. Projects. Okay. All right, so here's my ebooks. Let's do this one. Okay, so I'm going to choose the ebook. So let's just do this one. It's 64 pages. Okay, that's too many. Let's do this one. It's 14 pages. Okay, so here's my ebook. And you would take your ebook, and this is how you convert your ebook to an actual lead magnet, so that the lead magnet gets your subscribers, it gets prospects really engaged on your content and what you're offering, okay? And it introduces them to your subject matter. So what you're gonna do is take your ebook and you're gonna do file, make a copy, okay? Never use the ebook. So you're gonna make a copy and see where it says copy here. You're gonna do lead magnet for Roots book. Okay, so whatever your book title is, okay? You're gonna go back to the old original and you're gonna X this out so you don't get confused and mess up your book, okay? All right, so this is the hack and the quick way to do lead magnets from your ebooks and repurpose, repackage, okay? So your ebook already has the cover, the copyright notice, the table of contents, and all that stuff, right? So what you're gonna do is gonna start from the bottom, from the end of your ebook. See, this is your thank you page or whatever. And you're gonna go, okay, so here's my thank you page and my about page. Okay, so you're gonna delete this page, delete this page, delete this page, delete this page, because you're selling your ebook, right? So since you're selling your ebook, you don't want to give it away as the lead magnet unless the lead magnet is your ebook and the ebook is free. Okay. All right, I'm gonna delete that page. Okay. I'm gonna leave the who's ready to boss up because that's the whole point. Okay. All right, so now we went from 14 pages to 6 pages, okay? So remember, the lead magnet is a resource, right? So a resource means you're giving them links, you're giving them information, you're giving them facts, wisdom, solutions, whatever, like quick wins. So we're gonna delete this. All right, so who's ready to boss up? All right, you introduce yourself. This is the last page, right? So you're gonna add page. I'm gonna go into here. Let's see if I can get them. Okay, there's the checklist. So then, okay, so my ebook colors were pretty, spring-like. So I'm gonna go over here to the checklist and I'm gonna try to find something that's spring-like in those colors, okay? Oh, Here's something. Okay, there. Okay. And then I can change this color to match the ebook. See how the color, this was one turquoise and fuchsia. And then I might want to, do the background, whatever, right? See how it has the 3 celery, so I can change one of them, see the background, and then change the middle. There, okay? And then I'm going to put the content in this side, right? And then let's just say you want to send them links to a website or whatever, you add another page. This is the baseline color of the page. You can change that to match anything you have. Okay, and this is a really cool checklist. So, you can just do anything you want, okay? And then you can add in pictures. So you go to photos and then whatever pictures you want to add in. Let's just say question mark, because you're answering a question. So you always want to put graphics that match what you're doing. So you can make it the whole page by dropping it in and moving it over, or you can just drop it in as an icon and then just put your text over it. Now, what happens when you want this, but you don't want this white background because you have a color page? You're gonna click on it and you're gonna click edit image. See right here where it says BG remover, that means background remover. It transfers it to a PNG. So watch. It takes a little while, but it works. Okay, there. Now it's on your background and it doesn't have that white background. And you can just duplicate it. Edit, edit, copy, edit, paste. There, you just duplicate it all over. Okay, you can resize it. You can change the direction. Okay, so that's how you remove the background. And this is now your lead magnet. Put some information on here, block and copy it from your book if you want to. And that's how you hack your ebook into a lead magnet. And then you download it. Remember, you got to switch this to PDF. Download it. And now you've got your lead magnet for Roots book. And that's it. So hopefully this has helped you. Now you know how to create lead magnets from your ebooks, and you know how to create lead magnets in Canva real quick. And don't forget, you can always create it in a Microsoft Word document, block and copy the text, put it in the Canva, and create page after page after page with some really good visuals and graphics from your business. And there you have it. Thanks. And if you haven't joined the tribe, just go ahead and scan this QR code right now with your cell phone, and you can be connected to all of our communities. Bye.